Hi guys, if your GE Universal Remote isn't working with your Emerson TV, you just need the correct code and the setup method. So in this guide, you are going to get the updated working codes and a reliable programming process. So on the Emerson TV, you need to check if it is a Roku TV interface or the basic LED TV. Roku based Emerson TVs often respond better for the newer 5-digit codes. So once you are able to find that, you just have to simply press and hold the setup button until the LED stays on. Then simply press the TV button once. The LED will blink and then it will stay solid. And when it does, it simply confirms that it's ready for the codes entry. Now for the codes, what you can do is you can just simply use some of these commonly used 4-digit codes. So these are 0456. You can try 0463. There will be 0236 or 0189. Now for 5-digit codes that you need for the new GE remotes or the Roku models, you can try these 11864, then you can try 12183 or 12049. So you can try these and see if the connection is established. After entering the code, you can test the power, the volume, and the menu or the input button. The Emerson TVs may accept the partial codes, so full testing is really important here. Now, if none of the codes work for you, you can just simply press the setup button, then TV button, and then press the channel up slowly. Stop when the TV responds, and then press the enter button in order to save. Slow scanning is going to prevent the skipping to the correct code. So these steps will connect your GE remote to the Emerson TV reliably. So you can try these and let me know if that works. Thank you.